A smooth bounce animation adds a natural dynamic feel to motion graphics. Let's go through a simple way to create one using position and scale adjustments. Start by creating a new composition. Then go to the top menu bar and click and hold the rectangle tool. From here, select the ellipse tool. Now, draw a circle in your timeline. Make sure the anchor point is at the bottom of the shape, so the bounce looks realistic. Now, open the position property by pressing P on your keyboard. Set the starting position by placing a keyframe. Move the playhead forward and lower the ball to simulate the drop. Then, copy the first keyframe and paste it a few frames later to create the bounce. To smooth out the motion, select all the keyframe and press F9 to easy ease them. Now, open the graph editor and adjust the speed curve so the ball eases in and out naturally. A sharp curve at the start and a gradual slowdown towards the peak makes the movement feel more realistic. Next, let's add a squash and stretch effect. Open the scale property by pressing S and unlink the width and height values. At the moment of impact, reduce the height to around 60% and stretch the width to 120%. A few frames before and after, adjust the width back to around 80% while extending the height to 120%. This exaggerates the bounce and makes it more organic. To finalize the animation, select all keyframes, press F9 to apply Easy Ease to enhance the natural movement. And that's it. With just a few keyframes and some graph adjustments, you get a smooth and realistic bounce effect.